What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be episode 151. And today we're going to take a look at what it takes to become a successful monster trader. All right. So today we're going to go ahead and take a look at 3 tips that I want to share with you guys. Pretty much, cues that will lead you to the path of a successful trader. So let's get straight into the video. All right. So the first thing that we're going to have up on the list is to find patterns or setups that work. All right. So if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you will see recently, my most recent video, I went over a setup which is called a neckline breakout. That's what I'm talking about. Setups like that. The neckline using, double tops. There's also consolidation. So I would learn and study at least 2 or 3 different patterns and only work those patterns. So I would only enter the trade if I see those patterns forming. All right. So that's one of my first tips to becoming a monster successful trader. When you start just randomly trading without any kind of pattern or any type of strategy, you may get lucky a couple of times, but all it takes is that one time for you to get wiped out. Next tip, it's going to be to scale and scalp. All right. And what do I mean by that? Scaling. So after we have found our strategy that works, our pattern that works, let's say we're playing a neckline breakout. The stock comes back down, touches the neckline, and breaks to the upside. What we're going to do is we're going to scale in. So we're not just going to jump in like we're at Sky Zone and get, 10 contracts. If we have money to get 10 contracts, we're going to buy 1 contract at the breakout and the confirmation of the breakout. I like to see a nice strong green candle followed by another one. And then I will get in at the start of the second candle and I'll just get 1 contract. All right. I have money to buy 10, but I'll only buy 1. Once I get that 1 contract and I notice it starts to go up, then I would start to scale in. So if the plan is to buy 10 contracts, I'd buy 2 more. So I'd get the first 3. Then the next 3 I would purchase would be, say, on a slight pullback. So when I see like a David Banner candle being formed, I would go ahead and buy 3 more on that pullback. Right? And so you scale into your positions. And you would write it up, I don't get greedy. Usually once I make, 10, 15%, I start scalping and I start to scale out of the position as well, right? You could look at the numbers. Traders who scalp are way more successful than traders who consistently try to go for the home run. All right. Those are the guys that usually take those massive losses and get wiped out. Third and final tip that I have for you guys is to pay yourself first. And what do I mean by that? Whenever you make any kind of profit, always allocate a portion to paying yourself. Now, paying yourself could be transferring those funds to your bank account and let it sit there in case, I like to call it like a Marabuzu emergency, right? Or you could use a portion of those funds, 30%, 20, 50%, whatever it is you determine, to buy into a stock, right? So buy into a stock that you are interested in buying or holding long term. And that's paying yourself first. And the reason you want to do that is, even though we have these patterns and these strategies and we try to scale up, right? And we try to scale in and scale out of these positions, there's still the possibility of losses. And sometimes the market is really, really, really volatile and unpredictable. On days when I see it like that, I try to stay away. But for example, I've seen, 4 strong Hulk candles in a row going up and then just a huge, massive Marabuzu purple candle to the downside. It's like 4 or 5 times the size of all those candles. It wipes out everything that you just made. And in a case like that, there's nothing really you can do. You can't really predict that. Sometimes it happens. And usually when you see that, that's probably because some large institution is selling. Yes, you could look at level 2 data to see orders and stuff, but a lot of times when we're doing this real time and everything is fast. All right. So in a case like that, it's not really much you can do and you will incur a loss. When you try to keep your losses small by selling quickly, right, getting out of the position and also paying yourself first, you still have money to in the reserve, meaning you have stocks that you could sell to get back some of the funds that you put to the side, or you have money put aside in your bank account that you could transfer back into Robinhood so you could start trading again. All right. But those are my 3 tips, guys, on how to become a monster successful trainer. These are 3 tips and principles that I live by. I look for these 3 things every day in the market. I find a pattern. I get in, I buy one contract, and then I slowly start to scale in. And when it starts to become really profitable, I start to scale out as well. And then once I make profit, I practice paying myself. All right. But that's it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to drop this gem on you. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. I make new videos like this every day, dropping gems that you could use along your investing journey. Please go ahead and like this video. Also share this video with a family member or friend. Also go ahead and check out my shorts. I am making new shorts pretty much every day now, and it's just little tidbits of gems that are dropped in these short videos that are usually less than a minute, and you could definitely gain some value from watching my shorts. All right. If you're interested in trading alongside me, I have created a paid chat. The link is in the description below. It's on Instagram. It's $9.99 a month. I post my prospective plays, and then once I get into the play, I will also post the screenshots. All right. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. I hope you found this information useful. Y'all stay safe and have a blessed day. Peace.